everyone, I'm here today to share a flip through on the tall skinny envelope journal that I made. This one is spoken for. However, if she decides not to take it, which is fine, then I will put it on my Big Cartel list or website. So the envelopes are, that's what this is totally based on, is the size. They're 9.5 by 4, and then the spine is just a 1/2 inch. Okay, and I think there's 12 envelopes, and then there's the front and the back cover, which is also an envelope. So this one's just a little different than the one I did before. The one I did before was actually shorter. Those envelopes weren't as big, and that's why I was like, why is this not working? But it's a much taller envelope. I put these little corners on the edge of the pocket here, and I made it the same way with the card to hold the journal closed like this. There's a little charm here, and this is my, well, these are my grandparents, great-grandparents, and this is one of their children, I believe. I think her name is Edna. And then I put this little tiny cross on the bottom of that. Okay, so the whole journal is designed around photographs from well, the kit. What is the name of the kit? I don't remember. What is the name of it? I don't know. I haven't mentioned it in so long. I don't remember. I'll have to look it up. Anyway, it was one kit, and there was a lot of photographs in that kit. So this is the back of that card, and you could take this off. Also, change this picture out. I just barely glued it in, just to have something in there, but you could change it and put something, you know, that you wanted in there, family or something. I covered the whole inside here with baked parchment paper. It was coffee dyed, and then I just stamped around here and put some, I'm going to move this over. I put some cheesecloth on this just to add a little bit. A piece of paper. And so as we go inside, I didn't put anything on these pages. Maybe a couple I did some ephemera, but whoever gets this, and they can always, you know, decorate these the way they want, and you can just write in here. Then we have the pockets that we just ripped the paper, and then here's a journal card, and it's sewed all around, and I've decorated it with that kit, and it is, like I said, they're all photographs. So each card should have some kind of a photograph, and then these are the back of the cards. And then, oh, I did not sew these yet. Oh, I have to do that. I'm not going to put anything on these. You can decorate them if you get it, or you could just use it for anything you want, but I will sew around them. And there's room for journal space in behind. And then you can store all kinds of different things in these pockets. Again, here's just our ripped paper. Here's a little card that I did and sewed around that. For some reason, I thought I was done sewing. Then here's another card. Oh, this card here, I cut it by accident, the size, so I just zigzagged down the side and attached it. So it goes like that. I just left it because, I don't know, I thought it was kind of funny. I thought, well, how can I attach that? I should glue it back together again. So that's why that is that way. And then here's another card here with a photograph of a lady. I hope she will like this vintage look here. Or grungy, I guess. Grungy vintage. It was fun to do. And here we have this little pocket. I think I made this on camera. And it's just tied down, and then there's a little journal card in the front and a little journal card in the back. And I thought that was cute. It took me forever to make this. I just could not get it together that day, which I don't get it together a lot of days, but here's another journal card here. Back. That's cute with the family. I love these 3 little kids. And you can embellish this more. This can be embellished or it can be written on. Another little family picture here. The suitcases. It's like the orphan children that had to leave New York and move out to the Midwest. I love those stories about those kids. And there is a journal card there. This is, he's waiting for her to come home, but I don't think she's coming. Yeah, and it's in a frame, and this picture. Another journal card sticking out there. And then we have this one, this gentleman here. And I really wasn't going to use this bird, but it just, I think it's like a hawk, but it just kind of went with this whole theme. So, eclectic daydreams. Okay, I need a journal card in there. I remember now because I used it over here. This is just a belly band, and I put a journal card in there. Took me forever to find something to fit in on this band. Then here's another lady. Oh, that isn't sewn. Another journal card. How did I miss her? And this is another one here. I think this is one of the first ones. And then all of them have a little blue. I just took the stamp and just kind of added that blue into every card. Not a lot, but a little. I'm going to leave that out. And then here's another one. Butterfly. Those are washi stickers. It stuck really well to that fabric too. And then here is another, and I was short a picture, so this is my grandmother, my great-grandmother on my father's side. I believe the other one is my grandmother's family, and this one is on my grandfather. Her name is Sarah, and her last name is Pearson, I believe. So she's a very pretty lady. Then I have a pocket here, and I have some initials here that I will have to take off if my person changes her mind. And then here's a couple tags here. I don't think she will, but you never know. Okay, and then in here is another journal card, and this one has a window. This one doesn't have a photo in it, but it has a little specimen card in there. And I added that little red plaid touch. I thought that was a nice color that went with this. And there's another journal card in there. And then this is the back. Oh, that feels weird. Just hasn't been opened yet. I'm going to fix this so this looks pretty on this side. But this is the back side, and you could add another pocket in there. But it's held together with the fabric. And this part here is loose, and that makes it more expandable, if you see what I'm saying. I wouldn't pull on it too hard. This could actually break, but I hope not. So that is the flip through on this journal, and I just wanted to share it with you. It was fun to make. These are pretty easy to do, depending on how much you want to put into it. For the price, I did not put a lot into it because otherwise you have to charge too much. So, and then this is for somebody who I think is new to journaling, so she will be able to add her touch to it. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.